what day it is today. It's a pickup day, and we're going to Michigan to pick up our little kitten. We're excited. We're just getting ready. Got the carrier. We have the agreement. And then we also have this little car seat. Litter. Oh, you guys, I dyed my hair, as you can tell. Got little toys out, you know, just to let it air out. Get some scent on there. There's a little tunnel. Pickup time is at 2 o'clock. It takes us about 4 hours to get there. It's about 7:40. Daniel better hurry up because we're supposed to leave right at 8. Okay, see you guys on the road. Bye. Look who we have. We see him in here.
Hey boy. It's okay. You pretty boy. You pretty boy. Yeah. You pretty boy.
He's sleeping. Falling asleep. Just kidding. Alright, see you guys at home. We made it home.
It's okay.
Alright. Hi. You're so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, he's nice.
Yeah. Come here. Is that your toy? He's pretty. Wow, you're beautiful.
Good boy. Good boy.
Daniel's petting him. Just letting Daniel pet him.
Yeah. There your butt. Your butt.
He's playing with us now. She's trying to get used to us. It's gonna take a couple days, I think. Maybe sooner.
Good boy.
Hey guys,
Good boy.
it's the next morning.
Good boy. Yeah.